Hi guys, this gardening bed, an easy guess to build your own art. Grow your own vegetable, herb, or flower is a reward explored. It's not only provide fresh product but also bring a scene of explosion compose one of the most affect and fade away to start your gardening journey is by build and rustic bed. Rustic bed often mean benefit in cabin, provide better soil quality and earn main interest than are also a gardening other if you have limited space or poor soil consider. We walk you that some easy rustic bed project that can be published with many throat tool and a bed to create. Whether you're seasoning gardening or manage those idea will inspire you to get your heart deep. Just gardening bed. Before dive into the project, let's explore then rest bed are great choice. Space effect. Space bed. For choose with limited gardening space. Rest bed allow for better organizing and make its effect to grow and various of plants in smart area. Not that you're understanding the benefit. Let's jump into smart, simple, rustic bed project that you can take this weekend. Project base, wood, rust, bed material. For wood, board. For post. For screen, salt and conclusion. Step. Select a location, choose a sun post in your yard. Most vegetable and heart need if 6 hours of sunlight per day. Cut the wood and cut the wood board to your deploying bed size. A popular size in 4 multiply 8 feet, which allow add a lay of cut board or landscape fiber to 5 week from growing up into the bed. Fill and salt. Fill the board with a maximize for salt and compost mean of a 50 by 50 mix to provide natural for your plants. Plants. One your rustic bed is filled. It's time to plant your vegetable, herb and flower. Popular of group. Remove any glass or wake for the area where the bed will be placed. You can also add a plate and cut board or landscape provide wake from grow up in the board. Project cut blend back rustic bed landscape salt and compost. Step design. Design your layout, depth, the size and shape of your rustic bed. A 4 by 4 feet or 4 by 8 feet rest in a compost size, but black can be used of create various shapes. Lay the back. Place the considered bag in your deep safe on the board. Group makes up then are level object of con line and button to provide wake for growing up. Place or layout of landscape fiber cardboard inside the boat. Fill with salt. Just like in the wood stick bed, fill your gut bag bed with a mix of your salt compost. Project bed, stick bed with long. This project is perfect for those who want a stick bed that do request beam. It's also for patio or depth than space with limited. For wood board for the side for long hard cut or gardening fiber